Hello there GBA. Welcome to yet another Girl Boss Rise topic videos. In today's video, we are going to be doing the main activity Life is Like a River in session 3, A Brave Space. After watching this video, you will be able to create your own sample of Life is Like a River. So let's get started. Now, I'm going to guide you through creating your own personal Life is Like a River sample. You can use this sample with your participants in the session. To begin creating Life is Like a River, jot down 3 to 4 key events from your life. I'm choosing to jot down 4 events from when I was a teenager, but you do not have to do the same. Go ahead and pause to jot down 3 to 4 key events of your life. Now let's use river as a metaphor to show these key events. This is my Life is Like a River sample. I'm going to start adding the key events to this river. I'm starting with a whirlpool to show the time that I moved into a hostel in 10th standard. I was away from my family for the first time. It was difficult at first, but in hindsight, being away from my family taught me to be independent and look out for myself. Now I'm drawing a few high tides. I'm sorry, it doesn't look like waves, but that's what I'm trying to draw, waves here. These waves indicate the time I went to study in a boarding school in Ooty. And I really enjoyed it. I loved the subjects I was studying, advanced literature and economics, and the school also had a strong focus on sports. I did really well in my 12th standard board exam and secured a place in a college in Chennai. Now I'm drawing a dam. Again, please excuse my drawing, I'm not an artist. This dam indicates the time I had an accident and broke my elbow. I was hospitalized and I went through an intensive surgery. It took a long time for me to get back to normal. I developed a new fear of driving. I still think I have that fear, but I'm trying to fight it and drive to places as often as possible. I have shown you some of my key events using the river as a metaphor. You may have noticed that I used the whirlpool, the dam and high tide to showcase these events. For me, the whirlpool is a confusing time. A high tide indicates happy times and a dam shows sudden tragedy. But you do not have to use these metaphors the same way. You can use them in any way you like, as long as you stay consistent. You may have also noticed that I'm not just sharing the key events, but I'm also explaining how I feel about them. This is really important for good reflection. Thank you for watching. Hope you're feeling confident about creating a Life is Like a River sample. Post a picture of your sample on the WhatsApp group.